Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2002 Town Car. The new Lincoln Town Car is a classic, elevated to new heights. Since 1981, the Town Car has been spoiling up to 6 occupants with spacious and luxurious accommodations, which now include best-in-class trunk space, power and fuel economy, a 5-star safety rating, and standard features that are anything but standard. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air suspension, rear, exterior entry lights, traction control, power brakes, leather upholstery, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, power steering. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.